Picture. Image. Example. Picture. He took a beautiful picture. Example. Image. The digital image was very clear. Sound. Noise. Example. Sound. I heard a strange sound. Example. Noise. The loud noise woke everyone up.
Big. Large. Example. Big. The house is big. Example. Large. They have a large house. Pretty. Beautiful. Example. Pretty. The flower is pretty. Example. Beautiful. That flower is beautiful. Small. Tiny. Example. Small. The ant is small. Example. Tiny. There was a tiny spider. Old. Ancient. Example. Old. The building is old. Example. Ancient. They studied ancient history. Fast. Quick. Example. Fast. The car is fast. Example. Quick. That was a quick trip. Loud. Noisy. Example. Loud. Can you turn down the loud music? Example. Noisy. It's a noisy restaurant. Rich. Wealthy. Example. Rich. He is a rich man. Example. Wealthy. The king is wealthy. Hot. Warm. Example. Hot. The coffee is hot. Example. Warm. The tea is warm. Hard. Difficult. Example. Hard. The puzzle is hard. Example. Difficult. The question was difficult. Right. Correct. Example. Right. That is the right answer. Example. Correct. The spelling is correct. Sick. Ill. Example. Sick. She is sick. Example. Ill. She is feeling ill. Sad. Unhappy. Example. Sad.
The movie made me sad.
Example. Unhappy.
She looks unhappy today.
Happy. Glad. Example. Happy.
She looks very happy.
Example. Glad.
We are glad to be here.
Poor. Needy. Example. Poor. They live in a poor area. Example. Needy. They help needy families. Chilly. Cold. Example. Chilly.
Put on a sweater. It's chilly.
Example. Cold. I need a cold drink. Far. Distant. Example. Far. The stars are far. Example. Distant.
That star looks distant.
Sleep. Rest. Example. Sleep. I'm going to sleep soon. Example. Rest. Their activity is rest. Strong. Powerful. Example. Strong. He is a strong man. Example. Powerful. They have a powerful team. Busy. Occupied. Example. Busy. I am very busy today. Example. Occupied. All the tables are occupied. clever, smart. Example: clever. She is a clever girl. Example: smart. He is a smart student. Choose, select. Example: choose. I will choose this one. Example: select. You can select any option. Sell, purchase. Example: sell. We plan to sell our house next year. Example: purchase. I am going to purchase a gift. Ugly, unattractive. Example: ugly.
That building is quite ugly.
Example: unattractive. He found the painting unattractive. New, fresh. Example: new.
We need new chicken breasts.
Example: fresh.
The lettuce looks very fresh.
Listen, hear. Example: listen. Please listen to this. Example: hear. I can't hear what you're saying. Fear, dread. Example: fear. I fear making mistakes. Example: dread.
She dreads going to the dentist.
Joy, delight. Example: joy.
She felt joy at the good news.
Example: delight.
He expressed delight in the gift.
Tomorrow, afterward. Example: tomorrow. The next day is tomorrow. Example: afterward. The next day is afterward. Afraid, scared. Example: afraid. I am afraid of the dark. Example: scared. He was scared by the noise. Open, unclose. Example: open.
Please open the door.
Example: unclose. Unclose your eyes now.
Woman, lady. Example: woman. The young woman spoke confidently. Example: lady. She is a gracious lady. Game, sport. Example: game. They played a fun game. Example: sport. Football is a popular sport. House, home. Example: house. Their new house is very spacious. Example: home. They returned home late. Child, kid. Example: child. The happy child played in the park. Example: kid. Every kid loves ice cream. Job, occupation. Example: job. She found a new job downtown. Example: occupation. His occupation is a teacher. Feeling, emotion. Example: feeling. She had a strange feeling. Example: emotion. Happiness is a positive emotion. Road, street. Example: road. They walked down the long road. Example: street. Our street is usually quiet. Taste, flavor. Example: taste. The soup had a delicious taste. Example: flavor. The ice cream had a strong vanilla flavor. Answer, response. Example: answer. He provided a detailed answer. Example: response. Her quick response was appreciated. Food, cuisine. Example. Food. The delicious food was prepared quickly. Example. Cuisine. Italian cuisine is very popular. Idea. Concept. Example. Idea. That is a great idea. Example. Concept. The basic concept is easy to understand. Time. Duration. Example. Time. We don't have much time. Example. Duration. The duration of the movie was 2 hours. Language. Tongue. Example. Language. English is a global language. Example. Tongue. Their native tongue is Spanish. Rule. Guideline. Example. Rule. There is a specific rule for this game. Example. Guideline. The company provided clear guidelines. Family. Relatives. Example. Family. They have a large family. Example. Relatives. All their relatives came to the wedding. Man. Gentleman. Example. Man. He's a good man. Example. Gentleman. The gentleman was very polite. Sound. Tone. Example. Sound. The sound of the waves was calming. Example. Tone. His voice had a serious tone. Wrong. Incorrect. Example. Wrong. The calculation is wrong. Example. Incorrect. The calculation is incorrect. Today. Now. Example. Today. The present time is today. Example. Now. The present time is now. Angry. Mad. Example. Angry. The boy was angry. Example. Mad. She got mad at him.
Show. Display. Example. Show.
My presentation is a show.
Example. Display. The screen will display the results. Idea. Thought. Example. Idea. He had a brilliant idea. Example. Thought. His thought was interesting. Answer. Reply. Example. Answer.
The correct answer is yes.
Example. Reply. I await your reply. Afraid. Scared. Example. Afraid.
She is afraid of heights.
Example. Scared.
He looked very scared.
Look. See. Example. Look.
Look over there.
Example. See.
Can you see the sky?
Jump. Leap. Example. Jump.
The frog will jump.
Example. Leap. It was a small leap. Bad. Awful. Example. Bad. That has a bad smell. Example. Awful. The garbage smells awful. Easy. Simple. Example. Easy.
This game is quite easy.
Example. Simple.
The steps are simple and clear.
Good. Nice. Example. Good.
This soup tastes good.
Example. Nice. That cake looks nice. Near. Close. Example. Near.
There's a cafe near my office.
Example. Close.
My house is close to the park.
Quiet. Silent. Example. Quiet. It is very quiet here. Example. Silent. The night was silent. Love. Adore. Example. Love. They love their family. Example. Adore. She adores her pet. Make. Create. Example. Make. I will make a cake. Example. Create.
They create beautiful music.
Full. Complete. Example. Full. The glass is full of water. Example. Complete.
The task is complete with no errors.
Below. Under. Example. Below.
The cat is below the table.
Example. Under.
The book is under the chair.
Start. Begin. Example. Start. We can start the game. Example. Begin. The class will begin at 9. End. Finish. Example. End. The story will end happily. Example. Finish. She will finish the book. Kind. Gentle. Example. Kind. She is a kind person. Example. Gentle.
She has a gentle way with animals.
Foolish. Silly. Example. Foolish. His behavior is foolish. Example. Silly. She told a silly joke. Above. Over. Example. Above. The picture is above the sofa. Example. Over. The clouds are over the mountains. Much. Plenty. Example. Much. Did you eat much? Example. Plenty. We have plenty of food. Little. Few. Example. Little. I have little time today. Example. Few. We have few days off this month.
Picture. Image. Example. Picture. He took a beautiful picture. Example. Image. The digital image was very clear. Sound. Noise. Example. Sound. I heard a strange sound. Example. Noise. The loud noise woke everyone up.